If you've got customers that are demanding retrofit products for commercial downlights, these are downlights that were installed with compact fluorescent or even metal halide as far back as 20 years ago. Keystone does have a very viable option for you and your customers. There are several things that are new that we're taking advantage of. The biggest thing that you'll find out that these fixtures are both output and color selectable. You can switch colors from warm white to cool white, have a low output, a middle output, and a high output. These fixtures are made for commercial installations, so you've got a shielded conduit that goes right to your junction box, a purple wire and a gray wire for 0 to 10 volt dimming, and if you want to have painting going on before you put the fixture in, we provide an aircraft cable to hang the fixture and have it illuminated as a work light. These fixtures are available in 10-inch, 6-inch, and down to 4 and 5-inch. You can also see from this fixture that it's available with an integral EM. Many of your projects are not going to just be white downlights, and you can actually offer your customers that have existing brushed aluminum, black, or if they want to be more adventurous and check out the copper finishes, these are all available in those downlights. And one other thing I'd like to mention too, Keystone has also come out with a really great accent light that can double as a normal straight downlight. If you have a situation or a project where you don't know if you're going to need a downlight or adjustable, this works perfectly as a downlight, and with a tilt of the finger, we have a 30-degree or 40-degree adjustable downlight. Again, with the quick connects and the dimmability and the color selectability that we talked about before. We know that your commercial customers are going to demand more service, especially when it comes to pre-sale and post-sale support. That's where Keystone and Thea Enterprises will really shine, and the only callbacks you'll get will be for more business.